Dears, hope you all are well. Today again we are going to discuss chapter shapes and patterns. And today's topic is circle. Okay? So today we will learn different parts of a circle. Okay? And for this everyone watch carefully on the board. Okay, so dear, I am drawing one circle here. This is the circle, isn't it? And here, in this circle, this is a center of a circle, isn't it? So dear, we call this point as a center of a circle. C-E-N-T-R-E, center. Okay dears, now dears, I am drawing another circle. Okay dears, and as we know this is the center of a circle. Now dears, any line drawn from the center of a circle to the line which is on the circle, okay, we call this line as a radius. R-A-D-I-U-S, radius. Okay dears, remember in a circle there are so many radius. I can draw many radius in a circle like this. This is also another radius, this is also another radius, this is also radius. Okay, in that way I can draw a number of radius. Okay dears, I hope you all understood about the radius. Now dears, and one more thing, remember, when there are so many radius are there, then we call this is as a radii, R-A-D-I-I, radii is a plural, okay, and radius is a singular form. Okay dears, now I am drawing another circle. Okay dears, now I am drawing a line which is, I drawn a line from on the circle which passes through the center and then it touches other side of a circle. Dear, such line is called diameter. Okay? D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R, diameter of a circle. Dears, here remember that diameter is also known as or also called a longest chord. Okay, longest, L-O-N-G-E-S-T, longest chord of a circle. And remember dears, in a circle there may be a number of diameters. Okay, for example, if any line drawn from one side of a circle passes through the center of a circle and touches the other side of a circle, so such kind of line we call diameter, isn't it? And diameter there can be a number of diameters. Okay dears, now we will discuss about the chord. Dears, we know this is a circle and this is the center of a circle. Now imagine that a line is drawn from a circle but it touches the other side of the circle but it does not passes through the center of a circle. Okay, it does not pass through the center of a circle. So such line is called a chord, C-H-O-R-D, chord. Okay dears, here remember there may be a number of chords in a circle as well. For example, if I draw a line like this, this is another chord. If I draw a line like this, this is another chord. Okay, if I draw like this, line like this is another chord. The chord may be also, okay, there may be many chords in one circle. Okay dears, now let's do few sums, okay, to understand better. Okay, so dear, here it's given, name the following parts of the given circle. So this circle is given to you and you have to write the parts of a circle. For example, radii. I told you radius means one, but radii means many. So that means there are more than two radius, isn't it? So dears, let's find out the radius. We know this is one radius, isn't it? Cm. Okay, Cm is one radius, so I am writing here Cm. Okay, then Cp is another radius, so I am writing here Cp, and Cl, okay, this is L. Cl is another radius, so I am writing here Cl. Same way dears, we have to find the chords. Now dears, here it is written chords. So we know this is one chord XY, and as we discussed before, diameter is also a longest chord, okay, in a circle. So I have to write this diameter as well, Lm, okay, Lm. Okay dears. Now similarly diameter, okay, so diameter here only Lm is a diameter, Lm is a diameter. Now remember dears, all chords, okay, we cannot call as a diameter, but all diameters we can call as chord. Okay, that means all diameters can be a chord, but all chords cannot be a diameter. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now the center. So we know there is only one center, okay, that is C. So I will write it down only C here. I hope dears you understood this video. Okay, so practice everything in your copy. Bye bye.